Hi, Dimitri here. I'm here today to talk to you about your risk of falling, why this is a serious issue, and a few exercises that you can do to reduce that risk. So, did you know that in Canada, falls are the leading cause of injury amongst older adults? And a fall for an older adult can actually lead to death? So, what ends up happening is oftentimes when you fall, you may break a bone like your hip or your wrist. And what this does is it creates a cycle of instability because now you've broken your hip, that leaves you less stable and more likely to suffer from subsequent falls, or you've broken your wrist and that impairs your ability to catch yourself when you do fall, making those falls a little bit more serious. So, what I've done in my blog titled Am I at Risk of Falling and What Can I Do to Reduce That Risk is showcase 7 exercises that you can do at home every single day with little or no equipment that will improve your balance and mobility, which will reduce your likelihood of falling. Please check out the full article in our blog.